Welcome to Virtual Play live game development streaming.
Hey, good evening, good afternoon, good morning to everyone, wherever you are. I hope my microphone is working better than last time. I actually figured out what that was. I have been having trouble lately with the microphone acting up, being like too loud, too soft. Well, it turns out that in the end, it was Microsoft Teams. What? You might think, well, Microsoft Teams has this annoying habit of changing the actual microphone volume in your Windows microphone settings. So that's super annoying because then my whole settings were off and I tried to fix it. And then after that, I had a call on Microsoft Teams and apparently it was just gone to a different setting again. And then my microphone settings were off again. So now I think it should be fine. I've added some new filters as well, so make sure to tell me if you hear this. Tell me if you think it's nice. Well, welcome to the channel. Hey, Aaron. So, do you think it sounds nice? Do you think it sounds better? It was like a bit like over the top last time, the microphone. So just let me know. And also, yeah, going to continue with the game. I'm excited because we had a little. Okay, sounds great. That's nice. We had a little design session actually this weekend. So we actually figured out all the little details that I was still struggling to, like, what am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with that? So, like basically the flag, how it works, the ranks, how they work, what happens when you have an encounter, how would you actually attack people, or how would you know who to attack if there's multiple people, that kind of things. We figured those out and yeah, it's pretty clear now. So actually nothing much more left to do than just continue, I think. Like everything is good here and Unity is still opening a couple of my projects. So all right then. Got this, all right, and then I got that. Good. All right, all set up to go. Let's kill some of these things just to have a good experience here. This too. Yep. All right, that's better. Clean system tray. Well, it's not super clean, but still. Yeah, let's see what. That's not what I was doing. This is Outranked. Let's see where we're at. There we go. Hats. Oh yeah, I added those hats, made them selectable. It's kind of a little bit ago because last Thursday I didn't stream because of a big like work for hire that we have. What happened here is that the guide changed. That's actually quite weird because I thought that already changed last time, but well. Let's just set up these windows again. Don't know why I have to keep doing this. Well, I do know. Unity wants to resize every time. Let's just keep them small like that. All right, cool. And then the first one I already had open. Let's just see where we're at. Basically, oh yeah, I had the server nicely going with console and loading the client scenes, but not as a scene, but just as a prefab, so that we can have multiple scenes. Yes, that's what happened. So, oh, somehow I spawned two there. And that's nice because, well, there's going to be one extra interaction. Like if you're close to someone, I'm thinking it should be a little bit more near. Oh, this is actually the UI blocking my, yeah. So it should be a little bit closer that you can actually attack someone, a little bit further actually that you can attack someone. This is quite close. But let's see. I think at this point you can't really attack anymore. Oh, you can. Okay, then it's not that bad. It's just the thingy here, the UI blocking it. Hey, Luca, how are you doing? This I hope you had a good weekend. Let's see. Yeah, that works, and the layering worked. So now the first thing I have to do is get people into the same room again, because it used to be just one room. Now I've got multiple rooms. I have to actually make sure they get into the same one. Let's do that first. That should not be too hard. Let me just get to the logic. I added the improved latency script that's in TNet that changes the way that TCP packets are sent. Normally it waits until a certain amount of data is there before actually sending out the packet, and that sometimes blocks things from arriving. And that is not such a problem on desktop, because there it's not really very aggressive, but on mobile it can be. Let's see. This is server logic. It gives a code. Yeah. So this is super simple. Maybe it doesn't need to be more intricate, but actually should put this into a separate function. Generate room code. Oop. Room code. There we go. And there we say return room code. Oh. And we will make this a local variable. Right, there we go. Void the string. Okay, so what? Oh, it's static. Okay, fine. So string room code, generate room code. Okay. That is fine. Create room will create a channel, but now I have to do a join channel, like create room, join room actually. So public static in int, no. Yeah, actually, yeah, join room based on the string room code. So there we have the room code, and we want to go to the this is on the server, right? Yeah. So who wants to join? Let's first look at who's calling create room again. Server logic.create room. That's in player lobby. It's a new room request. Server logic create room, and then send to that one join room. Basically, not such a big problem. Yeah, that's okay. So basically just gonna be the same, kind of the same as this. Only then it will simply be join. No, request join room. That's actually the one that it will be. Request join room. And I have to generate this one. There we go. So now there's join room, and then new join. It's not new room, it's join room request from player blah blah. Server logic.join room, and then well, actually that should be joiner ID. Join room, joiner ID. Let's see what we can do here. String room code, yeah, of course. And then int joiner ID. Room code has to be in there. Room code request for room and then room code. We have to pass that string room code and joining room with that code. And then team manager join server logic players in room not do clear do not. Oh, these are for the server when it's when it's joining, when it's creating the room, and here send join room to that player with the actual number that he is. Nice. Now I just have to call it request join room. On join channel request new room. That's if not on server, and this is not what needs to happen. In player lobby, people should be requesting, but not immediately when they join the channel. So this is the step in between that we didn't have yet. If it's the lobby, then we should enable some UI. Can we do this? Yes, still is the lobby should have a reference to the lobby UI. Lobby UI, and here we just say lobby UI dot set active true, and then we have a public, the thing that's called from a button. So we should actually have a reference to a field, text mesh pro. That's insane. Oh yeah, I need to. That's not what I need. I need to do tm pro. No, tmp input field. Yeah, that's the one. And that is the room code input. And then also, here we go, public void. This is going to be request new room. That's not good. Public void UI room request makes it more clear, and public public void UI join request. And in the room request we paste what we just copied, and in the join request, requesting is true. Are we actually using that? Oh, requesting is false there, huh? I guess. Then we say request join room with the player ID to the server, and it sends the player ID, but it also sends the room code input.text. Is it value? No, it's text. All right, so join request, room request, lobby UI set active, and then when that comes through on the client side, here, if I'm not on the server, no, actually, yeah, if I'm not on the server, then I should actually UI, no, what did I call it? Lobby UI dot set active false. That's when we're in the new channel. Okay, cool. So now I just built the lobby UI. Oh, hold on. Or what? Oh, the server logic to join a room. I didn't do that yet. I have to search for the room. So if room channels dot contains key room code. Now let's just do early outs. If it doesn't contain the room code, then we say return -1, which is no room code. Else going to, there's no else needed here. That's just an early out. Whoop. So basically otherwise joining free channel, there's no free channel, we get the room code. I'll just copy all this and see what I can keep. So matching channel, let's just rename matching channel. And joining room, and then the matching channel has to come from room channels. Oh, Kuncha. Room channels, room code. Yes, and then joining room blah with code blah. That has been done. That has been done. That has been done. And then that was also already done. So when does it get added to players in room? That's interesting. Nothing gets added to players in room, huh? On the server side, or does it? Oh yeah, here. Yeah, okay. Okay, fine. So that is all static, is it? Oh yeah, it's static. Cool. Basically no need for that, and then the server should not join that channel. Also, I'm pretty sure that for... Yeah, I was doing that twice on the server. So basically here I shouldn't do that, because create room returns that channel and then create room and then it joins again. That's not good. So that, yeah, that was double. Yep. Now I should actually create that UI. And I'll make it simple. Requesting is assigned but never used. Yeah, I know. Why I'm actually doing that. I should add that when if and when I need it. That could be something for later. Boop. That looks clear. All right, cool. Going to my lobby scene. And in the lobby we have a canvas. There's no camera already, huh? Well. Here we go. Welcome to the lobby. Yep. Welcome. It still has the, yeah, iPhone 6. Okay. Welcome to the lobby. That's basically what I had so far. Nothing much actually. Welcome to Outranked. And then I'm adding UI a input field text mesh pro. For the room code, I'm adding a button text mesh pro. For joining, and another one, but that's later, for asking for a room. And that should just be it. It's a bit large, a tad. This text is 13, which is, I guess, okay. This is way too large. Placeholder 14. Let's do 12 and the text 12. And this button, same thing. Oh, wow, that's large. 14. I'll say join commissioner bold. And then here, placeholder should be enter room code. And like that. Then that's one button. And let's make another button over that one and say host new game. And make that. Boom, like that. It's super simple. It's gonna be like this, and I'm not gonna do anything fancy here except maybe adding a little nothing actually. Group, what? That's interesting. Never actually saw that yet. What was I doing? Create empty. There we are. The empty should be this thing, and that should hold both of these. Oh, and have a horizontal layout group. Middle center, control child size, no, yeah, actually that's not good. Control, oh, it shouldn't control child size, sorry, damn it. That's better. Enter room code. And actually the other way around, it should use child scale. Something like that. All right. Now the buttons. This is the new button, or actually just host button. And this is the join button. And this is the room code field, and in the lobby UI is the whole canvas. Room code input is the input field there. The host button should click is it player lobby UI room request, and here, oops, player lobby UI join request. Nice, this should work, I think. Just v1 server scene. I did not start my real-time sync yet. There we go, start, sync it up. Boop, there we go. Yeah, that was synced. And then these ones should be loading. I could start up the server meanwhile. It's on the simulator, which I guess. That's actually stupid. I forgot one thing. Main lobby. I wanted to not enable that one unless you're a client. So did I do that in code? Actually check for the, yeah, if you're not on server, then I'm activating the UI. Cool, that is what I needed. Run this. Number 2, number 3. Running this as well. Yeah, that one is not spawning the UI, or it's spawning but it's not enabling the UI. And now this one, once it's joining, There we go. It enables the UI. This has a weird look, but I don't care. Host new game. That's the code. I should show that here in screen, but anyway. And then this one should be able to join that room. Interesting to see if that works. By entering 5B7, 5B7X WSD1. Oh, WSD1. Join. Oh, it joined channel 2. Actually did. Oh my god. So, so simple. It already works. Alright, so... Alright, that's the whole room request system. Done. Check. Ooh, ow, ooh, ow, ow. Okay, missing references. Where did that happen? Still trying to access it. In simple physics. Oh yes, of course. That's a good one. Nice. Okay, basically this is a full function thing, so I should definitely just commit this. Stage all. And add room hosting. Oh no, let's just do one thing because it didn't show that thing yet in the main lobby. I could actually throw in another canvas for the room code. No, actually, no, let's not do that. Let's do that in the game client. Game test in the game room. That's the one. So basically, no, that's not the best one. Let's actually do this in. Yeah, because you're in a room, so it should show there. No, I was right. Game room, that one. I'm gonna add. There is already a canvas here. I'm gonna add some text. Oh, whoops. Some text here. That should show the room code. As long as not everybody's in. And that should be 00000. And then like 2020 and white. Oh, it's not big enough, huh? Oh, it is. What? Why is it not showing? That's interesting. Oh, it wasn't on the canvas. Weird. Alright, so 36 is a bit strangely huge. Is this constant physical size? But, oh, yeah, okay. Canvas text, here we go. It should be something like that, but then smaller. 12 is super weird actually now. Let me have a look at the other scene. The main lobby. What is it set to? Constant physical size. And there I have this same. There's 13 is this size, and that actually makes sense. Yeah, maybe that other thing doesn't work because there wasn't a camera. Wait. Annoying. Oh God. Spam. I'm just reporting them. Oh, that takes a long time. Sending. Stupid stuff. There's no... Alright. And that's one. And then this one. Report, 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 boom, boom. Report, block, ban. There we go. Doesn't work. It's never gonna really work, but Alright, let's continue with this. I hope that my mods will be on. Looks like... Yeah, well... Got affiliate. I think that's the moment that it started. When you get affiliate status, I guess there's some kind of way that they can detect this. There's some bots that spiders that crawl the whole Twitch sphere. Game client scene. Let's open that one and then get to the game room. That's so weird. If I get... Oh, let me just open the game test. It looks... Why is it so small in here? Well... Let's look at this one. 12. So... Okay, hold on. Let's just spawn... game room in here. Same thing, huh? Constant physical size. Isn't it just exactly the same? It's exactly the same, and still it scale 4.5. Maybe that's the thing. No, it's also scale 4.5. What? I don't get this. Oh, hold on. That one is scaled. There we go. Why did that happen? Well, we know now. And now we can actually make it smaller as it's supposed to be, like something like so, like 8. And then we can put it in the lower left. Yeah, in the lower left corner, and say book for learning Unity. Oh, I couldn't say. I never used books for learning Unity. I would just say go. I would follow some tutorials. I would definitely check out the Unity Learn itself, like online. I did not learn this from books. I just learned it by doing. So I wouldn't tell. I wouldn't be able to tell you. I'm sorry. Also, Unity changes so quickly that I think a book will. Well, changes, I mean, the basics will stay the same, but it changes so much that a book won't really help you that much for a long time. So then you would have to get a new book every time. I don't know. But to learn game programming, there's like lots of different things you could read on. I would definitely study some algorithms. I would study some AI. Depends also what you want to do. You're learning Unity. Unity is quite a big thing. So if you want to actually be able to make a whole game by yourself entirely, then yeah, then you'd have to go into a lot of different aspects of everything, like from audio to programming to art to, and then again you can do everything with Unity only. So it's kind of a hard question. I'll put it in the corner. No, 6, so that it's nicely evenly in the corner, I guess. Yeah, so for now it's just gonna show the room code there. And how will it show this? Let's just add a room code script here. Boom. I actually want to start some nice game development tutorials actually on like some platform, since the tutorials are on that we made on Git are so popular, and people said that it's like they're well crafted. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do indeed. Show it. I'm gonna show it when like no, but not everybody is in here. So this is just, maybe it should be in the top even, but you're gonna be able to run around in kind of a like starting area. Probably just like something like Team Fortress or Overwatch, that you have a starting area per team. Oh yeah. What we're thinking about for Outranked, we've got a feature plan that is like streamer mode, that will have a second screen, because it's not going to be a heavy game. It will have a second screen that you can share on stream, that also you can choose which things you want to show or not. So maybe you won't even show your own rank or things like that. Or maybe it would be a spectator view that doesn't go along with the player itself even. Something like that. But there definitely will be also be an option for streamer mode, just to not show the room code. So that is definitely on our radar, but thanks for saying that. I'm pretty sure that the actual second screen spectator kind of thing will be probably not on launch, but what was I doing? Room code. Yes. Come on. There. Scripts. Boop. Yep. Room code. So it has to get the current room code from which things? I'm joining a room. Actually, where I'm requesting it, that's actually where I should set it. That should be client logic, room code. That, because it can't join a new room before that is changed. No, that's fine. All right. And then I should actually make that field. That would be something like this. String room code. And then this one would just set the require component. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's a bit of like automatic. I want to do all this right, but it doesn't really. Well, I don't need to do that actually. Dot text will be room code. Did I type it like that? Yeah. And then client logic dot room code. There we go. Now everything should be complete. Let's just test it before I commit it. Oh God, I started a client scene. Scenes. Oh, oops. Apply, delete. There we go. Save. Server scene. Yes. All right. Let's test it. Like I said. Why is that popping up again? That is quite interesting. Did I? That's room code. Did I change something back? Oh. I don't know what happened there. Maybe I didn't save the main lobby scene or something. Anyway. Alright, there we go. Client test join channel 1. Host new game. Room code. Oh, I only did it on join, didn't I? Yep. So that's not good. Room code. I should get a room code here. I'm not getting that, am I? That's request join room. This is join room itself. Yeah, this way the create room. Yeah. Oops. It's generated and then it gets an int back. There. Yeah, gets an int back. So it should send join room and the player ID, but also should send the room code. And the room code is server logic.room. What? Room active rooms. Is that not accessible? Active rooms internal. Yes, there we go. Server active rooms for this room channel. Then we've got the code as well. Join room should need join room here. Needs before channel. I'm saying string room code and then client join channel. All right. Client logic dot room code is room code. So now, oh, that one. Now I'm actually transferring it on creation as well. Yes. Let's see if that works. That's one, that's two. Let's just start this one already. Host new room. There's the room code. Now can I join, please? This is actually not so handy. Where did my... Oh, it's all the way over there, huh? Something like this. That's better. Yep. Room code is there. CVRW. Oh, hold on. One other thing I want to do. Where's the lobby? Here's the lobby. No, let me just put that on the thing itself. The text of room code field, there it is. Oof. Room code field gets a hold on value changed. Room code field. Only valid code characters. Super nice. All right. That's that. And then only valid code characters. Oh, let's move that to scripts. Yes, there we go. Only that code characters. Says this is actually one of those things that require a component type of TMP. Oh, well, that's just using text. TM Pro. Yes, there we go. TMP underscore input field. Yes, that's the one. Field is get component that, and public void changed, and then I say let's go to input is field.text. Then for each character in the input, I'm going to say if like input output. What's wrong with output? Oh, okay. Okay. If input dot no. Yeah, if input dot oh, just the character actually. That's the character. That's weird. Okay. It's between A and Z. Then we should output would be input I plus A minus A. Oops, A. Else if input I is equal to a dash, if actually dashes don't have to type the dash, so if output dot length is 4, then we add the dash. The other one would be if input is already a capital letter, or or the input is a number. And now it's going to be more interesting because we are not doing some of those. There we go. That actually is gonna be better than that. So no, I can't do that. Replace. No, that's just a new string. Input character. Let's just do it that way. And then here we'll replace that, but now I'm just going to use that string here if whoop, that's much better. Yes. That's good. That's good. And then that's going to be input character. So what I'm doing here, I'm going through all the characters. Oh, that's actually a character. Let's declare that outside of the loop. Why actually? Let's just let's declare it here, and let's declare those here as well. No leakage. I don't have to do that. This is not a Unity thing. Input character is actually that, and then that. Minus 32. Oh. Let's just do that as a constant actually. Could work like that, so that it becomes a capital. If it is in there, then it gets added, and otherwise it doesn't, and the dash is added automatically. Though this way I cannot remove the dash. Let's see, like last validated length, and then hold on. Like I'm gonna have to make sure that if you do backspace on the dash, that it actually removes the dash. So if the last validated length, which I'm gonna set here, last validated length is gonna be output dot length, and then I'm gonna set the field dot text to output. And now if the last validated length was 5, and not, if the last validated length is 5 and the new length is 4, the like input dot length, input dot length. So basically, if neither of these, if one of these are not true, yeah. So basically now if the last length, the input length is 4 and the last length was 5, then I'm going to actually not add the dash. Yes. I'm thinking this will work, but let's see. So now it should, forgot a, there. It should validate the field and make sure that you can't enter wrong codes. Oh God, I'm starting the wrong scene again. What is happening here? Server scene. Yes. There we go. Host new game. And here we go. Join game. And here with join, I didn't even need to host, but I wanted to test that as well. So if I put like type a small d, damn it. It doesn't. Oh, I didn't hook it up yet to the event. Darn. Let's go. Game object room code field. There, no function. Only valid code. And there we go. Changed? Did I say? Did I call it changed? Yes. Cool. Again. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I'm stuck in an infinite loop. Ouch. Why am I? Which one is which? Let's see. Rank 3, that one. End task. Right. Let's see what I did wrong. Oh, it changed. Changed actually calls changed again? That would suck. That would suck. And I'm guessing that's what happened. That's what's happening here. So I'm going to have to test if it was already running changed. That sucks a bit, but it's fine. Bool, validating, and then here we say validating is true, and here we say if not validating. What? There we go. And I have to open a bloody scene again, but I can meanwhile the project I meant. Meanwhile, I can just do this on number 2. Here we go. I hope this doesn't lead to another. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't turn it off. That's the thing. Validating is true, and then validating is false. There we go. There we go. The A does not get entered. The S does, but it... Oh, yeah, it's not a character. Alright. Yes. So this yields... That's just minus 32 again. Minus 32, but minus 32 doesn't do character, so now it is actually a character. No, still int. That's a character. That's a thing, but it yields an int. Yeah, but that's when if somebody pastes, then you get like, if somebody would paste something incorrect, then well, you would get all the characters at once. So I'm just checking all of them. It's just something that it's not happening every frame, so it's not going to be a problem. That's what I guess I was thinking about. But otherwise you'd be correct. I should also, there's one thing that I didn't do yet, and that's the final length, that it can't be longer than 8. There we go. A doesn't go in. S gets to be a 3. E, nothing. Oh god, what the hell? Alright, that's interesting. What did I do wrong now? Oh, why did I do this? I already did that. I did it twice now. That's a character and that's an output. Yes. Duh. Alright, so and then here we say if output dot length is 9, else break. That's one thing. Oh, no, stop. Changing while editing, like while running. And there we go again. No. Alright, I should always run in debug mode, but that's outranked 2, outranked 3, outranked not responding. Jeez. Let me just fire up another one. I'm pretty sure it should work now, but I can't join the lobby when... Oh, I could run this one as a server for now. Just while I wait. Run server. Should work. Yep. And then run client. And then here we go. A doesn't do anything. S. H and S. I typed a small s and it made me a big S. And I can't do anything else. That's nice. But can I actually remove? I can, and then yes. Oh, that is a bit weird. Nice. So now I can only enter those characters that are actually allowed. That is nice. That's just what I wanted to do. And there now my computer is blowing off steam. It did not love this. Client scene, yes. All right. That's 3 of them. That works. So now I can actually do that at room hosting codes, hosting with code plus joining. Now, of course, we need to do a bit more because there's going to be a maximum number of players and stuff. But for now, this works fine. Now I'm going to check the main game. Is that... I didn't even test before committing there, but I didn't push yet, so I can always amend my commit if something is wrong here. Host got a nice code, PPP4 to PWW, PPP4 to PWW, join. Something went wrong. Join room did not match. How did join room not match? Something was off. Which one? Oh, bloody hell. Just pop this out, that's easier, I think. Join room, player lobby.join room. Expected string int, received int. Did I not change that call? Player lobby. Join room. Room code, room channel. Jeez. Did I not add that? That's weird. Join ID, room channel, room code. That's it. Room code, room channel, player ID. Player game ID, yes. Weird. Why is it still syncing? That's so weird. Syncing, something going off with free file sync. Retry. Didn't have that yet. Something with copying a file that was exactly changed at that same point, I'm guessing. Oof, come on, put it in there. Why? Console Pro with the console. Oh, it's not there. It is. Okay, never mind. I think I should stop soon. Huh. Interesting. They're in a room. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's the old room. Damn. Don't know what's going on here. Yes, this. And there, host new game. Why? Player client has left channel 1. Huh. There. Room code. Got a room code. Oh, that's what I did before, yeah. Um, 8523 NHF7. Join. And they're in the same room. That's nice. And this also showing the room code. And that gets 2 of them, but eh. And there we go. No more things in the way. That's also nice. I can keep going around. That's cool. I think that range is not nice. The range is a bit, though. Yeah, I should test that. That's not something I can easily say just clicking by myself. Whoa, bam. Yeah, that's the physics. That's the physics, huh? That, yeah. And the object was destroyed if SPO there's something with like alive or something. Is it just I'm just gonna check this out, like Unity checking game object is not destroyed. Equality check with no. Yeah. All right. If it, let's say if it is equal to no, then it should be removed. Damn. It should be here as well. From objects dot count -1 until 0. Oops, what? Until 0 down, and then if objects i.game object is null, then objects dot remove at I. Yeah, dot buffer. Blah 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 blah. That should work, and now I shouldn't get that error anymore. I can definitely commit that. Host new game. There's my guy. And if I stop here, poof, it's neatly cleaned up from this physics. Cool. And I don't need to call on destroy or anything. It's just gonna clean it up by itself. Alrighty. Yeah, looking at the time, and tomorrow gonna be working again. I think that should be it for today. Cleans up. I should do something about that care partition in the editor, but cleans up destroyed objects in simple physics. Alrighty, pushing that, and I'm gonna say good night. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. If you did like this, please like, subscribe, follow, whichever is appropriate, and I hope you have a good evening or afternoon or day or whichever is appropriate, and see you next time in 2 days on Tuesday. And thank you again for watching. This music is the music from my Ludum Dare jam from not so long